Are your guppies hanging out at the top of the tank? Here's what it means. Most often it's a lack of oxygen in the water. Guppies go to the surface to breathe. Causes include poor aeration, dirty water, or high temperatures that lower oxygen levels. Sometimes it's just feeding time. Guppies naturally swim up for food. But if they're gasping and staying at the top constantly, it's a warning sign. Fix it by adding an air stone, cleaning the tank, and lowering overcrowding. Healthy guppies should swim across all levels of the tank, not just the surface. Act fast to keep them safe.